Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have a folder and an image. Now start the file. Open Notepad and type the minimal HTML. Doctype HTML, head meta charset equals UTF-8 title image / title / head and an empty body. Save the document as index. HTML in the same folder as your picture. Make sure the image file name matches exactly, including extension and case. Once saved, you've completed the first actionable steps. The page exists and is ready to reference the image file. Now add the image element inside the body. Type imgsrc equals your image. JPG alt equals short description and save. Use a relative path like images / photo. PNG if it lives in a subfolder. Use / or / only when needed. You can specify width and height attributes or use inline style for responsive sizing. For example, style equals max width, 100%, height auto. Make sure the alt explains the image. This helps accessibility and explains why the file must be named and referenced precisely. Finish by opening index. HTML in your browser to confirm the image displays. If you don't see it, make sure the SRC matches the exact file name and location, including capitalization. Browsers on some systems are case-sensitive. Clear the browser cache or hard reload and inspect using developer tools to view network 400 for errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if the image shows as a broken icon, check that you saved the HTML file in the same folder as the picture or adjust the relative path accordingly. Then refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.